How to fix Windows cannot find MicrosoftSecurityApp.exe error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, are utilities in Windows designed to repair corrupted files and restore system health. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, for the Defender to function properly, several services need to be running. Double-click Security Center. Under Startup Type, select Automatic, Delayed, Start from the drop-down menu, and click OK. Set Microsoft Defender Antivirus Service to Automatic Start. Set Windows Security Service to Manual Start. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in Windows Search. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering first command, restart your computer. After restarting, type the second command. If that didn't work, Windows using the Media Creation tool to perform a repair install of Windows can resolve deeper system issues without affecting your personal files. This method reinstalls Windows while keeping your files, settings, and applications intact.